Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing an honest review of Akiflow in 2025, a productivity app that's been getting a lot of attention, and I'll walk you through what it is, its pros and cons, and everything you should know before deciding if it's worth your time and money. And for now, let's dive right in. What is Akiflow? Akiflow is an all-in-one task and time management app designed to help you plan your day better. Think of it as a mix between a calendar, task manager, and notification hub. It's built for people who want to centralize tasks from multiple platforms like Gmail, Slack, Notion, and Trello, and manage them all in one place without context switching. Key features. Some of the main features that stand out in Akiflow include: number one, universal inbox. Capture tasks from email, Slack, and other tools instantly. Calendar integration. It syncs directly with Google Calendar or Outlook so you can see your schedule alongside tasks. Time blocking. You can drag tasks straight into your calendar to plan your day hour by hour. Command bar and shortcuts. Super quick way to add or schedule tasks without losing focus. Focus mode. Helps reduce distractions by showing only what matters for the moment. In short, it's trying to be your daily command center for productivity. Pros. Now let's talk about the pros of using Akiflow. Amazing for time blocking. If you like planning your day in detail, Akiflow makes it smooth and intuitive. Great integrations. You can connect it with most of major productivity tools you already use. Clean and minimal user interface. The interface is simple, modern, and doesn't overwhelm you. Notification management. You will not miss important tasks since Akiflow pulls them from everywhere. Productivity boost. Many users say it helps them save hours every week by reducing app switching. Cons. Of course, it is not perfect. Here are some downsides. Number one, pricey subscription. At around $15 per month, it is not cheap compared to alternatives like Todoist or Sunsama. Learning curve. It takes time to fully set up and customize, especially with integrations. Limited mobile app. The mobile version isn't as powerful as the desktop version, which can be frustrating for people on the go. Not for everyone. If you prefer a simple to-do list app, Akiflow might feel like overkill. Who should use it? So who is Akiflow best for? Professionals, freelancers, or entrepreneurs who rely on time blocking and need to stay on top of multiple projects? People who love calendar-centric planning rather than just a plain task list. But if you only need a basic task manager, you might be better off with cheaper, simpler alternatives. Final verdict. To wrap it up, Akiflow is powerful, polished, and great for serious productivity users in 2025, but it comes with a steep price and a bit of a learning curve. If you are willing to invest in your workflow, it's definitely worth considering. And that is it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, please support us with like and subscribe, and share the video with your friends. Thank you for watching, and see you in a new review.